Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. We're going to talk about Serol, which is a tool that the LCO, Las Cumbres Observatory, has for children and teenagers. Okay, so to start, you go to serol.lco.global. You must register, create an account. If you already have an LCO account, there's no need. You can use your username and password. Okay, so we're going to log in. If you have an LCO account, using this will not consume your observation time. Okay, great. So this is the home page. Then we go to the About Serol section, where you can learn everything about this program, especially that it's about how to use the robotic telescopes. Yeah, but this is aimed at children. Then you can go to videos, where you can find a few videos with information about the telescopes and about stars. Very few videos. Okay, then you can go to resources, where you can use resources for the classroom or with your children at home. Okay, so we have coloring sheets, build your own Serol, the robot, or if you want, you can use a 3D printer and to print this model. If you go here to Serol in your classroom, you're going to find more resources and guides. You can download the guide, the PDF with the activity, and you can apply it in your classroom with your students. Good. Now we go to missions. Okay, so our mission, there are 3 missions. We are still in mission 1. After you have finished mission 1, you can unlock mission 2 and so on. Okay, so we're going to continue the mission. Great. So we're here knowing the night sky. Okay, so before this, we requested Serol to take an image, to make an observation of a star cluster, right? So right now, we're going to analyze that image. Later, we will show you how to do the request. It's kind of a little backwards to show you. Okay, so first, you can do this with your students or your kids at home. Okay, so choose the star cluster. Okay, I think it's this one. No, try again. Maybe this one. No. Correct. Okay, so as you do this, you can discuss with the children about the object you're studying. Maybe use Sinbad, Aladdin, or the Stellarium to know more about this object and where it is located. Okay, so right now we're going to analyze our image. The purpose of this is to simulate what you do with the LCO images that are taken by doing observation in the observation portal. Okay, so this is kind of mimicking that with the kids. Okay, so what color are the stars? I think most are yellow or white. Okay, how many stars are there in the cluster? I think I can see between 100 and 1,000. How many bright stars can you count? I can't. Okay, fine. Send your answers. Yeah. When you finish the challenge, you get a badge. Okay. So this is very kid friendly. So any kid can create their own account and acquire the badges. Okay. Or just one account and you use it in your classroom as you wish. Fine. Let's look at our stickers. Okay, so far we have to get to know galaxies and get to know star clusters. Great. So we're going to start a new challenge so you can see how we request the image. Start. So depending on the object, Serol will give you a small amount of information about the object. Okay. And start the challenge. So, okay, so here Serol is asking, okay, which nebulae you want to study, you want to observe. Let's say M1. Okay, so here it's telling us about M1, little information, and then you can have your students research more about M1 or the object you're studying, right? Okay, let's consult about this. So it can get very easy to learn using this tool and very friendly. Okay, let's take a picture. This is what we want. Let's take a picture. Or if you say no, not this one, you just click X for exit, and let's say no, M97. Great. So here is the information about the object. Take a picture. Great. Your image will be ready in a few days. This is also to mimic how you do the real observation requests, right? So you have to wait. Usually you have to wait 4 or 5 hours. I mean, it doesn't have to be the whole day. Okay. You will get an email notification saying that the image is ready, as you would in the observation portal, in the real observation portal. Okay, so while we wait, we can play a little video game, Dark Sky Dash. This is a great game. It's retro, and you must use your keyboard arrows, okay, to navigate your arrows. Okay, so let's say this also kind of mimics how the telescope aims at a target and takes the image. Okay. As you can see, you have to use the keyboard, your arrows or these letters, and the spacebar to take a pic. Okay. Okay, so it's saying this is the target, identify it, you do better than me. That is it. If you need to have the page translated, you right click and translate. In this case would be translate to Spanish or any language that you get to translate. Okay, there, Spanish, or just back to English. So that is it. I hope you enjoy and this tool. It's a great tool for kids to use with kids and teenagers. Great. So that is all. See you next time.